Wi-Fi based smart agricultural using LM35 temperature sensor, methane gas sensor, soil moisture sensor, humidity sensor, and 4 sensors we are using. And the output is if there is no soil, motor should be on. If soil available, motor should be off. So temperature above 60 degree, alarm on. Methane 200 and above, alarm on. Humidity 50 above, alarm on. So here we are using 230 input step down transformer, 9 volts output AC, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED power supply board, 16x2 LCD display, Arduino Uno R3 board, and LM35 temperature sensor. It is connected to the A0. So methane gas sensor, it is connected to the A1. Humidity, it is connected to A2, and moisture, it is connected to the A3. And Wi-Fi ESP8266, it is connected to the 4,5. LCD, it is connected to the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alarm 6th pin, fan 7th pin, it is connected. So here we are using motor driver IC to control the DC motor. So here we are using one app which is from the Google Play Store. Okay, that is TCP Telnet app. Okay, TCP Telnet app. The IP address is 192.168.:80. You can type here 192.168:80. Okay, so now I am going to start the power supply. So Wi-Fi based smart agriculture. Go to the Wi-Fi hotspot, Wi-Fi module. So here, okay, so it will show you the WT1580. So you click it, then it will automatically connect. Okay, then come to Telnet app, then click this. Okay, so M for methane. Okay, so I will go for, there is no soil, motor should be on. Methane gas. Okay, M for methane, alarm should be on. Okay, humidity, so I am giving the humidity, H for humidity. H for humidity. T for temperature. Humidity is increased. (60 and above). Alarm on. Okay, whenever it crosses the humidity 50 and above, so I'm closing loop the methane soil moisture sensor, then the fan should be off. So here 230 input step down transformer, 9 volts output AC, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED power supply board, and Arduino Uno R3 board. This is the reset button, and all the sensor data we are monitoring on the Telnet app. Okay, so it is continuously giving the values: over temperature, water available, no water available, methane gas. So like that, all the data should be we are monitoring on the TCP Telnet app. So LM35 temperature sensor, MQ2 methane gas sensor, soil moisture sensor, ESP8266, it is sending the data to a phone. Okay, T for temperature, M for methane gas, H for humidity, and no water, soil moisture. So all the data we are continuously monitoring onto the TCP Telnet app. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.